Last touch ang UP. Okay, punto para sa Ateneo. Last touch daw ang UP doon.
Sharp eyes here para sa ating mga referees.
Right. I didn't see that. They alleged it went off of Layu. Molde off the block. Tan. Valdez into the net.
Valdez not having a very good day today.
Right. Puro marami siyang 2 service faults already. Plus that attack error. So Maris Layug now to serve. Habol si De Jesus. Ahomiro also into the net.
A lot of errors here para sa Ateneo.
A lot of problems on offense for the Lady Eagles at lamang na 3 ang UP. Magbabalik po kami. Back with us here, ladies and gentlemen, at the San Juan Arena, 16-13. Lamang po ng 3 ang UP over Ateneo. And let's take a look at our Shakey's face of the day. Actually, familiar sa atin ito. She's 18 years old from New Manila. That is Mia Pablo. Patang kapatid ni Ira Pablo na kasama natin dito nga interviewer. So Mia will take home to her dad, former PBA player Vic Pablo, that
yung
pizza.
box of pizza. Dad, pasalubong ako sa'yo.
Binili ko yan. With my looks. Eliza Valdez. Yung mga timeouts sometimes really change the complexion of the game, especially for some players. So Valdez chops it down to 2. Now she's back to serve. Service error number 3 for the former best server of the league.
And this is interesting to note, as of this time, we've already reached a second technical timeout. Ateneo already has 8 errors. And UP has only committed 2 for this set.
And most of those errors are on attacks and service errors. Lai. Molde lumaban sa net. Binuhay ni Lai. Molde off the block. De Jesus is there. Tan. Inangat, tinawid ni Eliza, kapos na naman.
Eliza not very lucky today.
She's not having a good day.
She's not in her element today. Mga libre free ball na yung over na lang.
Yeah. Kim Hekiliana pala pronunciation ng last name niya. Kim Hekiliana is about to come in. I was informed by one of the supporters of Ateneo na we've been calling it wrong all these years. Hindi siya Hekiliana. And that time, Maraguinot, mabuti na lang for Ateneo. Maraguinot is having a fantastic game today. And she has another ultra-fast spike brought to us by PLDT Home Ultera, the ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. So Bayadel. Up to serve. Nakita ko kanina doon sa likod. We're gonna get a shot of it later. Mitch Morente and Gia Morado behind the bench of Ateneo. Service ace from Bayadel. So De Leon cuts it down to 2.
Actually, speaking of mga players, a former alumni, si Angeli Araneta is also here watching.
Yep.
Nahanap ko lang, di ko makita eh.
Tinext ka. Alam ko si Nicole Jamson is always here also.
Yeah. I haven't seen her yet though.
Maraguinot. Yeah. The magical ride continues. And not to say na swerte yung laro niya. Magaling talaga.
Maganda talaga yung laro niya.
Magaling talaga ito. Except that today everything's just clicking for her. And she's single-handedly keeping Ateneo here in the second set. Very close to UP. De Leon. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Estranero. Lai. Buitre. Turned back there by Ahomiro. Galing likod. Back set. Oh, wow. They got their signals crossed.
What is that supposed to be?
Well, that was sent to Ahomiro's utility position. Wala naman siya sa pwesto.
But again, Amy was saying that parang 3 yata dapat ang palo niya. That's why her momentum, she was going to the left eh.
Molde on the serve. Combination, Maraguinot. Did somebody touch it? Yes. Grabe, I think Maraguinot's already in double figures right now. But check natin yan in just a bit. Kiwi. Trying to tie it up. Good serve. Buitre. Wow. forget na si Marian Buitre. Yan ang all around. You don't know what position she really plays. Pero that time, nakadali siya na isa from the utility spot. Short serve, played there by Valdez. Maraginot. Lai. Dorog. Medyo may kataasan. De Jesus lifts it up. Maraginot off the block. Lai plays it off the net. Free ball from UP. Tan. Maraginot gets the line.
Excellent play there from Ateneo. Maraginot really is, doing everything here for Ateneo.
She is scoring for herself and for Eliza Valdez. At may halong pagod na. So Joanna Maraginot. Lai, Dorog, Madayag, Tan, Eliza.
Off the block, finally Eliza scores.
At tabla tayo 20 all. Ateneo coming back from as much as 4 points down and a timeout now by the Lady Maroons.
Nakaputo ka ba rin sa pwesto? Ayun po laro, no? Dalawang beses.
So that timeout is now broken. 20 all ang ating score ngayon. UP's lead has disappeared. Biggest lead is at 4 points. Ayan na, yan yung mga missing link dito ng Ateneo ngayon. Mitch Morente, Gia Morado. Of course, they will be back.
Yeah.
Pero for now, they are not in the lineup. Joanna Maraginot and the rest of the Lady Eagles on the floor on their own. Combination, nice defensive stop there from Eliza Valdez.
But good coverage here para sa Lady Maroons.
Eliza on offense. Blocked by Layog. Carlos inangat. Here's Dorog. They go to Eliza once again. Kept alive by Isa Molde. Estraniero. Free ball from Diana Carlos. Chance now for Ateneo to grab the first lead here. Valdez, yes! Gising na si Eliza. Timeout again for UP.
Tignan nyo yung itsura ng palo nyo sa palo nila. Pag tayo, minsan lang tayo makapalo, hirap pa tayo sa first ball, ha? Pepetsay natin ganun. Sila, every time may chance sila, papatayin nila. Hindi nyo nakikita yung difference. Makikita nyo yun. Hindi tayo mananalo pag ganyan. Hindi ko alam, ba't pabebe yung palo? Pabebe tayo dito. Yun ang gusto nyo eh.
Ano ba narinig ko doon?
Parang it's quite unusual galing kay Coach Jerry eh.
Tingnan mo naman yung massive attack coming from Eliza Valdez to give Ateneo their first lead.
Yeah, but I guess he has a point though. There is actually, mapapansin mo yung difference na like from the first, talagang malalakas din yung binibigay na palo nitong mga Lady Maroons. And now, more of the placement shots.
Right.
So I guess ang hinahanap ni Coach Jerry yung tapang
Well,
dito sa mga players.
pagdating sa tapang, walang tatalo dyan sa Batanggenyang si Eliza Valdez. 2-point lead now for Ateneo. Bigla nang iwan na lang sila. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's feeling, but UP still very much in this. Maraginot. Estraniero. Dorog has been trying and finally she succeeds. So Dorog cuts it down to 1. And now the sharp serve and unpredictable serve of Jua Lai. Ahumiro, nahirapan. Sabi ko siya, napaka-unpredictable eh. Ahumiro was thinking that baka mag-out.
Yeah.
Biglang lumikong pa
There's
loob.
hesitation eh.
Tied at 22. Timeout Ateneo.
Hey, you hard form, you training, you better. If you lost this one, nah, you chance,
Eliza is sort of becoming the interpreter na of Coach Tai on the floor. Sumesenya siya kanina kay Giselle. Anong
Yeah.
gusto mo? Ito gusto ko. Tres tayo. Tied at 22. But first, they must contain the serve of Jua Lai. Better reception there from De Jesus, but still not a good one. Here is Valdez. Nadepensahan in your face, Diana Carlos.
Good block.
UP up by 1.
You know, those kinds of blocks parang...
Check that. Layog pala yung nakadali. Oh.
But those kinds of blocks, yung mga nagbibigay ng motivation sa'yo
Yes.
dapat makes you more fired up.
Lai. Oh,
Serve
that's
is
short.
not over.
I was about to say, Lai has been serving a beauty. Pero that time, maikli. Now, Madi Madayag, tied at 23. Estraniero, Lai, combination follow. Set point for UP. Oy, the Lady Maroons have come here to fight. Alam naman ng Ateneo, the combination play on, but nalusot kay Valdez. Titira ni Dorog. Dorog serving for the set. Paraginot, Tan, Valdez. That shot is good. What a clutch shot from Eliza.
And that's, the veteran in Eliza Valdez.
Eksakto pa sa guhit. Race now to 26. Tan. Dorog. Too near for Lai. Lai, kabila. Isambolde. Good defense there from Bea de Leon.
And now set point now for Ateneo.
So this is the first set point for the Lady Eagles here. Tan. Lai. Molde off the block. Tan sends it to Eliza. And Eliza will finish it. After a slow start by Ateneo, successfully nakahabol sila against UP, fending off one set point from the Lady Maroons and winning the set 26-24.
Let's take a look at this shake and play. Eliza Valdez, cross-court hit.
Gising na.
Gising na.
We will have our third set when we return. Ateneo now up by 2. We'll be right back.